This problem right here looks tricky at first, but with the right approach, we can break it down and solve it in under 3 minutes. Let's dive in. So we have two circles, and each has a radius of 5 meters. Right between them, there's a small square. We're asked to find the area of the square. But how? We don't even know the length of its sides. However, we can make an assumption and label each side of the square with an x. Based on that, the area of the square will be x squared. As we know that the radius of the circle is 5 meters, we can draw two radii. They're both going to be 5 meters, and we'll get a right angle. By extending the line from the square, we'll get a right triangle. This bottom portion of the radius has the same length as the side of the square, so we can label it as an x. And since the total length of the radius is 5 meters, the top portion will have a length of 5 minus x. Let's call the base of the triangle y. For the right triangle, we can use the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Using the formula, we can write 5 minus x squared plus y squared equals 5 squared. Now we simplify. 5 minus x squared is 5 minus x times 5 minus x, which gives 25 minus 10x plus x squared plus y squared equals 25. By simplifying the expression even further, we'll get y squared equals 10x minus x squared. By square rooting both sides, we'll get y equals the square root of 10x minus x squared. Now we can extend the line labeled as y on the other side. Looking at the circles, we can see that y plus x equals 5 plus 5. So we get 2y plus x equals 10. As we've already solved for y, we can write 2 times the square root of 10x minus x squared plus x equals 10. Now we're solving for x. We simplify the expression, and then we square both sides of the equation. We'll get 4 times 10x minus x squared equals 100 minus 20x plus x squared. By simplifying the expression even further, we'll get 0 equals 20x minus 12x plus x squared. By factoring the expression, we'll get x minus 10 times x minus 2 equals 0. Now we know that either x minus 10 equals 0 or x minus 2 equals 0. For x minus 10 to equal 0, x has to be 10, and for x minus 2 to equal 0, x has to be 2. As there's no way for the side of the square to be longer than the radius of the circle, x is equal to 2. Now we calculate the area of the square, which is 2 squared. So the final answer is 4 square meters. Hope this helps, and see you guys next time.